This is my tablet, this piece of shit. So today I'll be opening it. As you can see, there was an attempt to open it, and it was pretty shitty actually. I didn't want to get the glass all over my hand, so you know what's the drill? The first tearing down, and where the fuck is my glove? So I got this kit. Fuck this shit. I can't feel anything in it. So let's see. We'll try to open it. Hopefully I don't die. This will be pretty easy to get into. I am literally the dumbest fucking person here. The fucking screen, the LED fucking screen is literally focus. This shit over here. It's literally not the part I'm trying to tear open. This fucking clip. Oh shit! Satan's fucking phone is like this. I literally ruined this tablet. Bro, what? Okay, so we're gonna tear it down. My boy literally woke up in the middle of her surgery. Come on, man. It's literally gonna explode on me. Oh fuck. Satan's phone is literally popping. Fuck. So we're in, boys. Okay, mission successful. Here's the thing. We got the display here, and Satan's phone is literally about to launch a fucking nuke on me or something. Oh fuck. I think it launched the nuke. Come on, Kim Jong-un. Please. Okay, here's the display. Here's the useless display here. We don't need it, so let's put it aside. We're gonna see what's inside in this beauty. 5 fucking screws. Time to switch again. Let's see what we got here. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest plus screw that I can find in my set. Let's just hope it works. I'll be back with a screwdriver. Okay, so we are back with a screwdriver. And this time it's a small screwdriver, so let's see. Bro, this shit is like ant. This shit is just an ant, bro. You call this a screw and it's literally tightening up, bro. What the? Okay, so this is a lithium ion battery, which means, okay, now we're gonna try to not explode. Okay, y'all, this might be my last words, but poo-poo is extraordinary, actually. Yes. I'm literally gonna explode this fucking shit. I'm literally gonna explode it. It was literally bending. Who? My fucking Nayla. I know you're watching this. Friend Lane Nayla. Apparently the one who literally banned me from her server for absolutely no fucking reason. Open this compartment. This compartment has something hiding in it. If you don't know what's hiding, it might be the... Oh shit! I literally flew and I heard the fucking iron fly. What? Fuck this. I fucking hate this. I'll be back when I update. Yeah, apparently I literally just broke off the whole fucking build. I mean, who the fuck wants it anyway? I can't even sell this shit for a cent. Okay, this shit is literally protected by some kind of weird kind of fuck. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure to watch every single one of my videos and give me watch time so I can